Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to be doing some lime green neon nails. I'm starting off with my sister's tips already applied. If I'm talking kind of weird, my molar is coming in on the right side. And it's just like, it feels really uncomfortable. It's not painful, but it's hard for me to really talk. And I feel like I have a lisp right now. Teeth are like so weird for me. These back teeth have been growing in for years, and it's like every couple of months they grow a little bit more and then they stop, and then they grow a little bit more and stop. So I feel like I'm constantly like in a state of teething. Anyway, I put down a thin layer of clear acrylic. Her natural nails have been prepped for application. I'm going in with my number 12 oval alpha brush, and I'm just applying this really pretty lime green that I mixed up using Banggood acrylic. I'm going to be doing some ombre, some solid nails, and some glitter nails. So on the ombre nails, I'm just applying this color, blending that up the tip. You want to put down all of your green first before you go in with the nail bed color, because this is really going to stain the monomer and stain your brush. So you want to keep these colors separate and use a separate monomer for each color. So now I'm going to apply the nail bed color, and I wanted to try something different. I'm going to use Milky white that I mixed up using clear and Tammy Taylor white. I'm going to use this as my nail bed, and I really like how it turned out. It has like a fresh look to it. It's kind of like unique and different. So just like any other cover pink, I'm going to blend this down the nail, and then I will cap the tip with clear. Wherever there is a lack of acrylic, I will go in with clear. for my glitter nails, I'm going to use these glitter gels that I got from, I think, Banggood a long time ago. I bought these with my own money and I never had a reason to use them until now. I don't know what inspired me. I think I've been looking at a lot of the Russian nail techs lately, and they always have like ombre and glitter and solid nails, so I'm kind of inspired by that look. And their glitter is always really clear and super sparkly, and sometimes I feel like acrylic glitter mixes look kind of cloudy, and I wanted to use the gel just so that it would be really sparkly. So after I cured that gel, I wiped away the expulsion layer and capped it with clear to protect the glitter and build up the rest of the shape of the nail. So this is after file shaping and buffing, and I'm putting on some crystals. So oh my gosh, for once in a million years, I'm actually using genuine Swarovski. The yellow stones are genuine and the AB stones are fake, so those are from eBay. And I'm using IBD 5 seconds nail glue to apply this. So after those stones are applied, I'll be top coating with IBD LED UV top coat gel. I'm not going to go on top of the genuine Swarovski, I'm just going to go on top of the fake ones, and somehow, some way, they don't really lose their shape that much. That's just me, but I like to bring a little bit more sparkle into them because they get kind of dull from the glue, and I don't know, it's just personal preference. You don't have to do that if you don't want.
Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold your hand while the pain was over. Keep you warm by the roaring sea. Oh, you meant the world to me.
This particular finger took so long to do, so I just skipped through it. This is the other hand, and I'm top coating this hand, and then I will cure.
Like shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere. Yeah. I prayed for you and kept you near in hopes you'd chase away my fears. I'm on my own, you made it so, and now I'm chasing nightmares. I used to run with you through the great big leaves, laugh at you when you laugh at me. Hope for us because I believe the home was just you and me. I thought you were the one for me, that's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world.
And this is the final result. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment. Let me know what you guys think of these nails. I love them. They're so summer, so bright. It's like a tall glass of refreshing Sprite or something like that. I'm getting like lemon lime vibes from this. If you're new, please subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you never miss an update from me. And once again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!
I'm gonna do this on my own. No point in blaming you, you did not know.